Hello guys. So today is Tuesday. We don't have any news today. So Wednesday, Thursday have major red folder news. So don't expect any huge volatility. This day could be complete consolidation. So I'll be looking only for silver bullet setup if the opportunity presents. So 30 more seconds guys for the session to open. So we have clean buy side liquidity, equal highs, at the same time Friday's high. If price closes above these down close candles, I'll go for long. So, so I'm waiting for the price to close above these down close candles. Still, we don't have a first presentation fair value up yet. So price is just in consolidation, back and forth. Waiting for the price to close above this series of down close candles. So till now we don't have any kind of momentum either to the upside or downside. So just consolidation right from the opening. You can see the opening candle just wick to the upside and downside. The small body, so still no clear direction. The price is just consolidating inside this fair value gap. So we are waiting for any displacement or manipulation. Still waiting for the first presentation fair value gap. We had a first presentation on a 15-second chart, but it looks very insignificant. You can see this 15-minute candle. No clear expansion either to the upside or downside, just consolidating. So now we are 8 minutes past the opening price. Till now we don't have any first presentation. Significant first presentation. Price is just banging around. Displacement or no manipulation yet. Just consolidating and accumulating more orders. This is what you get, guys, when you have no red folder news or any major news. So much buy side liquidity is built here. You can see the clear trend line liquidity forming. Still no displacement on this 15-minute candle yet, either to the upside or downside. We want expansion with the body. You can see only manipulation both to the upside and downside and very small body. So probably I'll wait for the next 15-minute candle. Still no first presentation. I'm still looking for any kind of displacement or fair value gap to form. First presentation fair value gap, at least a small significant one. Till now we don't have a first presentation yet. If it closes below this bullish fair value gap with long extension, then I will look for shorts. We reverse from this place in these series of down close candles. If we close above this, then I'll go long. Series of down close candles. We need a closure above this. So I added two lots long here, putting my stop loss below this fair value gap, below this border. The reason going taking for this long is we can see this bullish fair value gap. Price respected this bullish fair value gap. Price never closed below this bullish fair value gap with the bodies. These wicks went below this bullish fair value gap, but the body never closed inside or below this bullish fair value gap. That is the reason I went long here. So my target would be these equal highs. At the same time, we can see on the 5-minute chart, we closed above this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. So this should act as an inversion fair value gap, and price should not cross 50% of this inversion fair value gap. I just adjusted my stop loss to below midpoint of this huge wick. Now it's just a waiting game. Either it will take my stop loss or it will move to the target. So now we are inside this 15-second bullish fair value gap. Where we are inside this bullish fair value gap. I added two more lots and adjusting my stop loss to this swing low. I just moved my stop loss below midpoint of this wick. So my stop loss is taken out. We had a rejection from this rejection block. This is the highest up close candle. Since price closed below this fair value gap, I added few more lots. 1 minute bullish fair value gap. So on a 15-second, have seen this momentum candle which closed below this bullish fair value gap. So I added two more lots. So we closed below this bullish fair value gap. So this should act as an inversion fair value gap. So price should never go above 50% of this balanced price range. This is yesterday's first presentation fair value gap. So for the continuation of bearishness, we need to close below this yesterday's first presentation fair value gap with the body. So far we closed below this midpoint of this yesterday's first presentation. We need a closure below this fair value gap. So we have a fair value gap on a 1 minute chart. And we have this balanced price range. So we don't want to see price closing above this balanced price range. So we want a closure below this yesterday's first presentation for the shorts to hold. What the hell, man? There is no movement. The internet is working. What the hell, this is not. So we need a closure below this yesterday's first presentation fair value gap. We need a candle closure with the body. So 5 more seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Again the same thing. Now we need to reject from this balance price range. And we have a fair value gap coupled with volume imbalance and a 15-second chart. So I'm closing my bulk of positions below this swing low. So now we are approaching top of the 10 o'clock. So we might see a manipulation, expansion or a reversal. So now we are in this balanced price range. We don't want price to close above this balanced price range, which is, oh my god, this is not looking good, guys. I should check with the ES, what is ES is doing. So ES also mad, there is no divergence. There is no divergence. So we are still inside this balanced price range on a 5-minute chart. We have Asian sell side here. So far good, guys. We rejected from this balanced price range and from this order block, this up close candle. So if it closes below this swing low, I'll take bulk of my positions. Because today there is no news. I don't want to stay for long in this session. And I want to preserve my mental capital. None of the orders are going through. Okay. The hell is happening? I just can't understand just can't understand what the hell is happening. This trading is so slow. What to do? Like my orders are not at all getting executed. Uh, I don't know what is happening, man. What the hell is happening? This trading view is very slow in executing my orders, guys. I just don't know what to do. Oh my god, actually, this is set of 6. What am I showing? Guys, I don't know, this trading view is not. Oh my god. What the hell? Man, 49 lots. My god. What the hell is happening? I'll try to close this at break even, guys. I just don't know what this trading view is behaving erratically. It is very. It is giving so much delay in executing my positions. It's a very stupid. See, I just put my TP here and till now it is not registered. What the hell, man? Who's going to trade in this? Ah, fortunate enough, man. Okay, now my order is triggered. So, despite this fat finger, I came unscathed from this trade. But this is frustrating, guys. Very frustrating. If your orders are not getting punched in, So we have our first presentation from yesterday's first presentation. Once we close below 50% of this candle, I'll go short. I want a closure below this. If it would have closed below this low, swing low, I would have gone short. But it rejected from inside that point. And do we have a reversal here? So we have price respecting this new week opening gap. Body is closing inside this new week opening gap. 5-minute chart. And we have closure above this swing high. So we still we did not close above this first presentation, yesterday's first presentation. So not yet. So we still don't have closure above this first presentation. I'm going long, guys. I'm going long. Stop loss is below 50% of this order block, bullish order block. So as long as we are above this yesterday's first presentation fair value gap, we can hold our long positions. So we have a bullish fair value gap. Once we close above this, we can reclaim this bullish fair value gap. So we have 15 more seconds for the closure of this 1-minute candle. So we closed above this bullish fair value gap. So now we have reclaimed this bullish fair value gap. So I'm adjusting my stop loss to lower half of this yesterday's first presentation fair value gap. I'll take my first partial here. This will be my first partial. And my second partial will be here. I'm taking my first partial on this equal highs, almost equal highs, and next partial around the swing high. And we might hold up to these equal highs, but I want to be content with these equal highs, guys. So this is our silver bullet trade. So this was the confirmation, guys, first confirmation. These two candles never went below this new week opening gap. They stayed inside this new week opening gap. And then we had an expansion above this series of down close candles. So this is our order block, bullish order block. At the same time, we had closure above yesterday's first presentation fair value gap. This was another confirmation. So we have this 15-second bullish fair value gap here. At the same time, we have 1 minute bullish fair value gap also. So we are still inside this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. So we want to see price remain above this bullish fair value gap. We have this one more 1 minute bullish fair value gap here. So this is the 5 minute bullish order block, this down close candle. So this price action is not looking good, guys. Not at all looking good. Just want to adjust my stop loss below this candle. Price can come into this bullish fair value gap. We have the breaker here, guys. This up close candle, this series of up close candles, and this manipulation and this expansion. So we have this breaker. So we are still inside the breaker. So we need to see some kind of expansion from here. But this was already expected, guys. Sloppy price action. No news. We have Wednesday and Thursday red folder news event, and if price closes below this 1 minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, I will kill my trade. This is very sloppy price action, guys. You can see right from the opening, all the 15-minute candles are just overlapping. Just overlapping, guys. Back and forth, back and forth. Price closes above this bullish fair value gap. I might add one more lot. But I want to see some momentum, guys. Not sloppy candles. I need to see one huge candle. I want a closure above this fair value gap. But price is struggling. This fair value gap. So now we have a closure, right? Yeah, we have a closure. And I will add one more lot here. If price closes above this bullish fair value gap into this midpoint of this bullish fair value gap, I will adjust my stop loss to the swing low. So price again rejected, guys. Rejected from this fair value gap. This was a mohawk. If price closes below this swing low, I might have to reverse my trade. Yeah, we have a rejection from this volume imbalance. 1 minute volume imbalance. But we need to close above this bullish fair value gap, guys. We need a strong closure, not sloppy closure. So this is a decent closure. Now we have bullish order block. These series of down close candles, and then we closed above these candles. The next candle should respect this bullish order block. If it fails to respect this bullish order block and closes below this bullish order block, then I might have to reverse my trade. So far we have nothing, guys, just consolidation, just back and forth price action. No clear indication whether price is going to the upside or downside. But we have a immediate rebalance here. But we need to wait for the next candle or the next candle for the confirmation. And we have a bullish fair value gap also. And we have a rejection from this bullish fair value gap also. Just from I just want to wait for 10:30 a.m. guys. So we have a closure. So I reverse my position. What is the problem with this? So we closed below this bullish fair value gap, guys. That is the reason I reversed my position. I added 2 more lots to my, and this is my stop loss. Now we want price not to close above this bullish fair value gap again. We need to see price need to remain below 50%, lower 50% of this bullish fair value gap. Since now it has become a balanced price range, we want price to remain heavy below this 50% of this balanced price range. It should not go above this 50% of this range. If it is going, then not good for shorts. Okay. So we can see price again closed. So far, mm, price is still inside this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. So we want price to remain below in the lower, never go above 50% of this balanced price range. We want price to remain below 50% of this balanced price range. So 10 more seconds for the closure of the candle. We want this candle to remain heavy and yeah, that is what we are looking for. We want this candle to remain heavy, guys. So I added two more lots once we close below this bullish fair value gap. Still prices in consolidation. We need an expansion from this balanced price range. We need some kind of big momentum candle or this swing low to be taken out. So now if you look at the 5 minute chart, this candle closed below this opening of this series of up close candles. Now this should form a bearish order block. So once we close below this swing low, I will adjust my stop loss. Stop loss to the top of this fair value gap. We have our layered liquidity here, this swing low, this swing low, swing low. These equal lows, relative equal lows, and the swing low. But I want to close bulk of my positions here. So maybe I'll close. Buy, buy. So I want to close bulk of my position here at this rejection block. So we have this volume imbalance. So bulk of my position is closed, guys. So I want to adjust my stop loss onto this candle. Close my one more. Oh, this has become 6. B minus minus 1. Okay. That's it, guys. I'm closing my trade. Why it is taking so much time? Okay, that's it, guys. So we made almost $6,000 in profit for this morning session. I did not expect because this was unexpected, guys. This 49 units, 49 lots. This trading view was lagging. I did not know when I was punching my orders what was the size and all. So I made 4,000 here. If we exclude this, we still are up almost 2,000, more than $2,000 for this session, where there is no news. I think this is really good. Thanks, guys. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you like what you seen. That's it, guys. Thanks.